Now, let me ask you a couple of review questions. When moving large refrigerant cylinders, what should you do? How should these cylinders be moved? We said that you should use a cart. Use a cart that has a chain on it so that you can attach it to the cart and make sure that the bottle will not fall. When heating a bottle of refrigerant, what is the maximum temperature you should heat the refrigerant to? What temperature did we say that you should have going to this bottle? It should not be any warmer than 90 degrees. The warmer the bottle is, the higher the pressure is going to be. If the pressure is too high, the bottle could rupture. Now, what must be attached to the oxygen bottle when an oxygen and acetylene torch is used? What must we have on these bottles? We said a pressure regulator. The pressure coming out of the bottle needs to be regulated to a safe working pressure. So you should have pressure regulators on the bottles. What must you never do to an oxygen regulator? We said you need to have it, but there's one thing you should never do to it, and that is to lubricate it with oil. You should never lubricate with oil. The combination of the two could make it explode. And last question, what should be installed after a nitrogen regulator? We have the nitrogen bottle, which has approximately 2,500 pounds of pressure inside. What should be installed after the regulator? We said a pressure relief valve. The regulator will drop the pressure to a manageable pressure, but the pressure relief valve is there for safety. Now, how did you do on these questions? I hope you did well. Now let's move on